Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use WireGuard VPN on iOS with IPs purchased from Proxy SOC 5. For this video, I will use a Datacenter IP. You can download the WireGuard app from the WireGuard website, or you can find a link in our blog to the App Store. Check the video description below. Download the iOS WireGuard app, install it, and open it. In your Proxy SOC 5 account, go to your WireGuard VPN IPs. At the end of the row, click on the Options button and select Config. A modal will appear with your WireGuard configurations. You have three options. For mobile, you can scan the QR code. Second, you can copy the configuration and paste it into the WireGuard app. Third, you can download the configuration file and import it into the WireGuard app. For this tutorial, I will use the first option and scan the QR code. Go into the WireGuard app. Press Add a tunnel and select the way you want to import the configuration. I will use Create from QR code and scan the QR code. A pop-up will appear. Write a name that will help you identify the connection. You will also be asked to allow WireGuard to add a VPN configuration. Tap Allow. On the connection you want to enable, press the toggle button on the right side of the configuration name to activate it. Now, let's check our IP. As you can see, the IP configured is the IP our system is using. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.